Welcome to this Windows and Computer channel, and this is of course a quick video. We've got new numbers coming from AdDuplex concerning Windows 10 market share in the different versions. So, you're wondering why you still don't have the October 2018 update? Why when you check your Windows updates it's still not there? Not to worry, still the same story. Although it picked up steam a little bit by doubling its market share. The October 2018 update, you see it here on the upper right of your screen, is 12.4% of computers right now. So that's a survey of 100,000 computers where they actually look at what version of Windows is installed. So that big chunk here on the left side is the April 2018 update. Well, you guys, 80% of all of you are still there. So, you're not alone if you're still at 1803. And just give it time. It's kind of interesting because we're getting into February. And we know that the next version of Windows is going to be in April. And we're at 12.4% only of the October 2018 update. It makes, unless it really goes fast from now on the upgrade process, I think a lot of people are just going to jump over the October 2018 update as a whole and just go to the April 2019 update. I don't know how it's going to work out. It's going to be interesting to see these numbers at the end of February. I mean, now in a month, we've gained 6%. It was 6.2%, I believe, at the end of December. And now we're at 12.4. I mean, unless it goes much faster than this, it's going to be interesting to see. So don't worry if you're wondering why you don't have it yet. It's okay. And like I say, there's no rush, and it doesn't matter if you're not at the latest version of Windows 10. As long as your PC works and does what you want, that's the important part of here. The majority of you are still on the April 2018 update, which will be celebrating a year in April, and that's fine. I mean, there's no problem there. So, it's moving ahead. It's going to be interesting to see February, where it's going. But we're still very far, and like I said, the majority are still on April, so not to worry. I would suspect that this might probably at least double in the next month or so, but we'll see. It's going to be interesting. I really think it's going to be interesting to see what's going to happen with the numbers for next month. How much more will it grow? Will they open up to a point where it's really going to work and be very popular? I don't know. Popular is not the word. So a lot of people have been mentioning, oh, don't talk about popular. It's just that they're shoving it. Yes, I know. So anyways, don't worry. If you don't have it, if you don't see it, I see a lot of people posting every day on my channel saying, hey, I don't see it. Should I be worried? Don't be worried. It'll eventually arrive, and you know what? If it doesn't, you'll just be moved on to the next version of Windows when it gets in April or May, and hopefully it's going to be a better rollout. Hopefully things are going to be okay and not broken. We're in 2019, but the most important part here is that your PC works, and not to worry, eventually. And once again, a lot of people asking this, how do I know what version I have? It's simple. You just go to your search in Cortana and type WinVer, W-I-N-V-E-R. Click on the command. This gives you the number where you are at. So you see here, I'm at version 1809. That's the October 2018 update. If it says version 1803, you will be at the basically, you are at the April 2018 update. The majority of you are still there, and that's pretty much what you probably will see for the most part. So don't worry. At some point, something's going to happen. But don't rush, and don't install it just to install it because you want to have it now. It doesn't matter. Just wait, okay? Because If you don't have it for some reason, it could be that there's something still incompatible on your PC. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.